Okay, so in previous videos, you have talked about how to name points, lines, and planes. And this video is going to talk about when you have the intersection of either two lines or two planes. And the intersection is going to be two or more geometric figures. So for example, two or more lines or two or more planes. And this is the set of all points they have in common. So the intersection is going to be their common points, common things that they share. So when we have the intersection of two lines, okay, what happens when I have two lines and they're going to intersect? Well, you should be thinking back to your algebra days. What happened when you had two lines that maybe had opposite slopes? So one was a negative and one was a positive. Well, they intersected. And two lines should intersect in exactly one point. So let's call our intersection point point C. And let's say this is line L and line M. So I could say that line L and line M intersect in exactly one point, and that is point C. So two lines intersect in exactly one point. Okay, two lines intersect in exactly one point. That's what's important here. If you were in a car driving on line M and somebody else was in a car driving on line L, the point you would meet at would be point C. Okay. What about two planes? Now, what you need to think about here, easiest example, is the intersection of the wall. So in the room you're in, the wall, one of the walls, and the ceiling. If you look at those, it doesn't intersect in just a single point. As a matter of fact, it has infinitely many points that they intersect at. So two planes intersect in exactly one line. Okay, so if you look, the ceiling and a wall, they intersect in exactly one line. So we can also draw an example of this. If I draw a box, okay, there's the front, and let's draw maybe the top. Okay, so there is the front of my box and the top. They intersect in exactly one line, right there. Okay, so two lines intersect in exactly one point. Two planes intersect in exactly one line.